But the way the chief minister has gone way at more than even 30%, he's trying to control it. हे रीण काडप म्हणटा तें एक दुयेंस आनी हें दुयेंस काडून म्हाका दिसता लोकांक पयशे मेळटा जाल्यार दुसरी भाशा हे पयशे हेच खाता इव्हेंट करून नाचता दुखोता आनी कितें दुखोता हिंग दुखोता ती दुखोता मोडीता आनी हे पयशे खातीर सो म्हाका दिसता हे मुखार स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे प्रोग्राम केलो आनी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाचे प्रयत्न केले हे स्वयंपूर्ण प्रयत्न काय कितें सरकाराचे सगळे आमी तांकां क्वेश्चन केलेले आहात खास करून टॅक्सीचो इशू we were not called, opposition MLAs were not called. The taxi issue is something that is very important, needs to be resolved. आमचे टॅक्सीचे एम्बेसेडर आणि जी टॅक्स एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी आहा ही एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी ते स्क्रॅप करतले म्हणून तेमी आमकां अश्युरन्स दिलेले आसा न्यू पॉलिसी दे वील टेक एवरीवन टुगेदर तेज नंतर जे म्हाका दिसता वेन वी स्पोक फॉर द कॉलिंग अटेंशन अबाउट पीपल एंड द वॉर वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द गल्फ Chief Minister and their ministry are clueless, absolutely ridiculous when other states are preparing. Maharashtra has got people already by charter flights, Kerala has acted and Goa is sleeping. We do not even have a number to contact. We have to contact the NRI Commissioner office for what? And je म्हाका दिसता information आसपाक जाय कितले गोंयकार Gulf into the There are huge number of people. They are suffering there. They are scared. Here, people are not aware. With regards to the LPG supply, also during 0 hour, I mentioned about the shortage that is expected for commercial products. Je maga dista, we are a tourism industry state. Anik एक म्हयनो ही LPG commercial user available aha. असो मुखेलमंत्री सांगता. And on what basis this, I'm not sure. We have to be serious. We cannot be caught how we were caught during COVID time. COVID time, the government was caught off guard because they were not prepared. They took it very easy. I believe with the way the war is heading, anything can happen. LPG could be affected. Internet could be affected. The internet, as je Arabian Sea, basically the connection with most of the data that we get from there. In the Red Sea, there is a disconnect. It cannot be fixed. So these are several issues. We need to think out of the box. When there is a war, we need to think out of the box. Get number of LPG gases. Double engine सरकार म्हणटा हे स्टोर आसपाक जाय. लोकांक त्रास जावपाक शिरीपणा हो फक्त हे डबल इंजिन सरकार ज्या पद्दतीन आज आमी एक्सपोज केलेले आसा there seems to be a disconnect. They are not interested. This we will make sure don't this जाल्यार in the front we will make sure that we so कितें हांवें ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरान उलयता ते भाशेन उलयता आनी आमचे इनोसंट टॅक्सी पावचेर ह्याच पद्दतीन नांव पेड्डेर केलेलें हांवें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन 8 म्हयने जाले 8 म्हयने जावन आमकां आपोवंक ना हांवें तांकां विचारलें 9 म्हयने जावन बाल्तीमा आपयतले काय बाल्तीन जायन आपयतले केन्ना आपयतलो आपोवपा जाय न्हू तेणें मागीर तो तेंचेर घाता तेंगे कोण एकल्या मारूंक गेलो आनी कितें केलो तें कोण तेतूंत उलोवना आज सगळीं नाटकां तांकां हें गोवा मायल्सां स्टेक आसा कोणा स्टेक आसा तांकां कित्याक गोवा मायल्साचें प्रोटेक्ट करता तें कितें PRO गोवा मायल्साचें प्रश्न आशिल्लो अबाउट गोवा टॅक्सी ब्रदर्स वी आर फायटींग फॉर दॅट वी वील मेक शुअर दॅट वॉट एवर नीड्स टू बी डन in the interest of Goan taxi brothers, we will fight for it.
Minister have an interest in getting Goa miles.
No, definitely this minister, this government has bought this system, a double system. They bought in section 140. Yeah, 140 they jenna hadle or they took it out. At that particular time, they bought this meter aha. That meter galpa naka म्हणून aggregator. त्या वेळार ते resolve जावपाक जाय. So definitely people without not having conflict of interest, they would not take so much interest, especially taking on Goan taxi drivers.
Thank you.